How to make deep house. Let's set the tempo to 126 BPM and start with a good punch kick from a sample pack. Then a clap, some shake loops, some open hi-hats, some closed hi-hats to make the drums groovier, a crash, and some more filler claps to make the drums a bit more interesting. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample pack Infinity Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in description. Now, before moving to the other elements, let's find a good vocal to work with. As for the processing, let's shift the format by using Alt-Boy. And I need to make the vocal more atmospheric. For that, instead of adding effects to the vocal, I'll create a parallel channel and add some reverb. And now I'll sidechain the reverb to the kick using a limiter to avoid this from mudding up the mix. Now we need some pads. For that, I'll use this preset from a Serum preset pad. We don't want the pads to be so noticeable, so let's sidechain this and dip around 500 Hz. Then we need a bouncy bass. First, I'll use this to create a sub. I'll sidechain this, turn this to mono, and turn down the highs. Next, I'll layer this to make the bass sound a bit crunchier. Let's sidechain this, turn this to mono, and dip around the lows to stop this from clashing with the subs. Next we need a Reese base. I'll sidechain this, turn this to mono because this sounds too wide, and just cut the lows. Now we need some plugs. We're going to be using two patterns. For the first one, I'll use this, and this will follow along the bass. I'll sidechain this and turn down the lows. And I'll use this one to create the second pattern. Let's sidechain this and turn down the lows. I'll boost a little bit around 500 Hz. Then I'll add some reverb. Moving on to second half, let's replace the vocal with a long and dreamy lead. I'll sidechain this and turn down the lows. Then I'll use some pads, playing the root note of the track to add some suspense. And I'll just sidechain this. Guys, if you want these Serum presets, check out the link in the description. The Serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start the intro with the pads, the vocal, and the respace. After 8 bars, let's add the claps and the plucks. And moving on to the build-up, let's add our other pluck pattern, the shakies and the hi-hats. Then I'll use some build-up drums for my sample pad. Some rises. And some downlifters. Now that the first half is done, I'll simply duplicate this and change some things at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.